This is Core 1, but it is a little bit different because it is monstrous. Have you ever seen a 3D printed Core 1? A 3D printed this Core 1 on tracks, which is a robot. You know what is missing? A head, arms, and other limbs. Everything is 3D printed. This is also 3D printed, and you can see like there's little bit metals in there to attach them all together. And this thing is sick. And you guys can see the battery compartment and the control units at the back.
I use your products. Absolutely.